Here we go. Ready? Oh, who's better than me? Yeah. The next step in the process of building this pigeonhole is that I need to get all of the stock for the dividers milled out. Now you could never ever send this through a thickness planer, you know what I mean? Because it would just warp, break, smash, it would be totally brittle. So you really can't just send this through, it's just too small. So what I like to do is take a piece of MDF with a little clamp block on the back. Yeah, clamp block on the back. Say that 5 times fast. Clamp block on the back. Well, I can't even say it once, but whatever. You put this on the back so it just hits the back, obviously. This to the back, this to the back. Back, 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 back with the back. And then all you gotta do is send it through, little by little. See, this one broke already. This is the price sometimes of sending this stuff through thin. I want to get to 3/16. I mean, that's tiny, man. So this is how you do it, all right? Destroy. It's a little tight, but I'll hand plane it, clean them up, and they'll slide like bada. Pretty sweet, huh, Dave? All right, guys, check it out. Sorry. All right, now I got 1/2 pretty much set up. See that? Now that's going to be the shape of the drawers. Now, right here it's called like a, I have to notch this so it slides in past it, you know what I mean? So this one and this one, you know, on both sides, this side and that side, they'll have to be rounded over, notched, and slid forward so they get to be at the right plane that I want them to be in. But I think they look pretty freaking good so far, you know what I mean? This stuff gets a little confusing, a little complicated, but once you get going, you You know, not too bad. I bobble with the router a little bit, but you're never ever gonna see that stuff. So, whatever. You know what I mean? Pretty sweet. I'm seeing if I have that, what do we got? 2 and just about 3/8. 2 and just about 3/8. So these two are pretty even, you know? And then I'm just gonna carry these over. These two are good. So all I need to do is just make a couple of more dividers, and I'm set, buddy.